Welcome back. In this session, we'll be talking about unaided vision while spotting your UA, visibility requirements, visual line of sight, and loss of visual line of sight. Visual line of sight must be accomplished and maintained by unaided vision. The exception to this are vision aids, such as binoculars, which may be used only momentarily to enhance situational awareness. With regards to visual line of sight, the remote pilot in command and person manipulating the controls must be able to see the small UA at all times, must be able to operate the small UA closely to the control station to ensure visibility. There may be brief moments of looking away for the safety of the operation, which are acceptable. A specific time interval of visual line of sight interruption has not been established. If visual line of sight cannot be regained, follow the predetermined procedures, which may include immediately landing the UA, or have the UA enter hover mode. And another option is to initiate a return to home sequence.